It's your boy, Tremendous, reporting for Labfreq, and we back with the V30 Plus by LG. We were waiting to get our hands on this, y'all. It's critically acclaimed 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC. For those not in the know, that's a digital to analog converter. It allows for full sound through wired headphones and speakers. And we're gonna see what this bad boy got that's different from the regular V30. Other than the 128 gigabytes internal storage, sliding this box right off. And we're greeted by a premium LG branded fiber cloth for the glass front and back of the V30. Right under that, we have the V30 in all its glory, covered with moisture unresistant plastic. I'll put that aside for a second. We got the LG V30 Plus second year promise card. Must register within 90 days of purchase. We'll see what that's about. Get this box out. Looks like it just has packaging and SIM removal. Oh, we got a fast charge card, fast charge adapter, USB-C card. Got a little white box. Looks like a logo for headphones. These are LG's Quad Play earbuds. Let's see what these are about. Actually, when I got out the packaging, it's pretty premium headphones. At least in build, it has a nylon threaded cord all the way up until the headphone split. And it's LG branded, It has a nice LG brand on the back of the earbuds. It's a curvature right where you put the cones in your ear. So yeah, you check out that nylon threading on the cord. We'll get those a little thorough check out, see if they do the Quad DAC any justice. And yeah, let's get the V30 out this plastic. So yeah, we're not gonna sleep on the it's a nice premium, awesome build. It's pretty nice. I got the Aurora Black, Seasonless Black. Depending on the carrier, they gonna call it one or the other. But yeah, it's a pretty nice glass build, front and back, ionized metal sides. We're not gonna sleep on these dual cameras in the back. A lot of manufacturers with Apple, Samsung, go for the monochrome and regular headphone combination. Camera lens combinations on the back, which allows for bokeh, portrait, like depth of field effects. LG takes a slightly different approach with their cameras, where they allow for a 180-degree wide camera lens with their two cameras. Their cameras is like, I don't think one of them are monochrome. I think they're both 16 megapixels. Excuse me. But yeah, get this started, tooted and booted. As you can see, accept all of these legal documents, check all the boxes. We're gonna get this open. I think the V30 Plus comes with Android Nougat out the box, but I'm working with the Sprint branded LG V30, so it should be an Oreo update waiting. We're gonna check that out and see what that's about. But yeah, as you can see, we got the typical LG UX 6.0 home. I'm going straight to the home screen. People complain about there's no app drawer, but I know, being a livid LG device user, we reviewed the G6 last year. LG's home launcher allows for you to go into the display settings, home screen, and change the default no app drawer, all apps installed on the home screen feature to home and app drawer. So yeah, that's what I like to do from the jump, so I can, I don't like a cluttered home space. Every app I install shows up on the home screen. We see the LG V30 has 128 gigabytes opposed to the 64 with 107 available. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go to the software build. I see we got 7.1.2. I'm about to go find out. I'm about to go see what's up with this young update. Because if my research stands correct, there should be an Oreo update waiting in this ether. If I can only find the update center. I'm forgetting they have slightly different arrangement. Here we go, right there, system updates. Bam. Yep, looks like it's an update waiting. So yeah, we're gonna get this started and see if there's any visible differences with this unboxing. Okay, so we back, and we got the LG V30 updated to the Oreo Android version 8.0 with the March 1st security patch 2018. Let's see. Oh, it's one other little surprise that I wanted to show you guys. With the Oreo update, the LG G6, the regular LG V30, and the LG V30 Plus gets the ThinQ update, which means there are added AI features that add battery optimization, smart camera features, smart cleaning that we're going to be reviewing, so look out for that.